Hello, Year 4 designers. So you've caught me having a game of the classic operation. I'm not terribly good at it because I don't have a steady hand. Let's see. Oop, touched a little bit there. Oop, oop. There we go. Couple of lights flickering, but the buzzer's not gone off. Oh, look. I think slight flicker, but didn't set off the buzzer. I got one out. Yes. Most unexpected. I think I'll try and get this little bucket next. Oh, flicker of the light, but no buzzer. Oh, that definitely set it off. Oh, yeah, no. Absolute useless. Anything tricky I can't manage with these things. Never mind. Right, I'm just going to have a little tantrum and then I'm going to put this away and I'm going to show you how it works. So, this is an example of a toy that uses the closing of a circuit to work. Let's just have a look at a circuit. Most simple circuit you could get. Here's a light bulb. There's my light. And then I'm going to have a wire joined to the light bulb coming down to a power source, the battery. Just drawing a simple battery shape there. And then the other end of the battery is connected to the bulb with another wire. So that's the simplest form of circuit you can get. The thing is, though, that means the light is going to be on continuously. Can't turn it off. The only way it's going to stop is when the battery runs out. Now, that's useless because it might be on in the day when you don't need it, or you might have run out of battery when you need it at night. So what we do to make it more useful is we add a circuit break, and in this case it is a switch. So there we go, there's our switch. And so while that switch is up, the bulb can't come on, the light won't work because there isn't a circuit. The minute we push down onto that switch and connect the circuit together, the bulb's on. So what does that have to do with our operation game? It works in the same way. Here's our board, little man on the operating table. Now, it's got cardboard on the top, but underneath is metal. Under that cardboard is a metal plate with little holes punched out. Let's just have a look. Do you see how the edges are all metal? Underneath the card, it's a metal sheet with the holes. Then we've got our light bulb, which is his nose, isn't it? That glows. And that comes round to our power source. We have to have power to push the electricity through. And then we have another wire connecting it to the metal plate behind the cardboard. We've got nothing connecting it on the other side. What we have instead is a wire coming round connected to the tweezers. Now the tweezers are made of metal, which means they're a conductor. So the moment the tweezers touch the metal on the game, it sets off the light and the buzzer because it completes the circuit. There we go. Let's play another game. It works in a similar way. This is great, a Buzzwire game. I am the absolute ruling champion of the world at this. Watch how good I am. I can go quite quickly. I've got such a steady hand. I'm an absolute genius at this game. I could beat anyone in your class. Not really. It wasn't switched on. I have to turn it on. There, that's a nasty noise, isn't it? Now watch me try again. Oh, couldn't even get it on. I am terrible at this game. I haven't got a steady hand at all, and any one of you could beat me. Oh, there we go. That's the end of that game. Right, let's have a look how this works. Definitely turn that off. So, piece of paper again, and it's the same idea. We'll have our light, and this time I'll put in a buzzer as well. Now, the operation game had a buzzer, but I didn't want to confuse you. But somewhere along the circuit, there is a buzzer and a light bulb which are connected in some way. So let's just connect those up with a wire. Then we have the wire going to the battery, the power source, to push the electrons round. Then we're coming around this side and we've got this hook. Okay, it's a metal hook connected to the wire. Now, of course, metal is the conductor. On it goes there. On the other side is the wire coming from the battery, and that is connected to the interesting metal shape. And this metal shape has no plastic on it, so it's no insulation, which means when the metal hook touches the metal shape, when you make a mistake, it sets off the circuit. The whole circuit's complete and the light and the buzzer can come on. So this is your challenge, your first challenge. I want you to draw me pictures of the circuits for these two games. See if you can remember how they work. Bye.